Hey guys! So I've made a mistake. I've bought too much tomatoes and now they are already really well ripe. Like soon they will go off. So I'm gonna do a little tomato soup. So I'm gonna cut them in half. They're not great tomato. They're very hard to come by, especially for this season. At the minute we are in November, so for sure there's no good tomato around. But I really needed some to make my sandwiches. So I've made like this Cajun chicken sandwich in a baguette, homemade mayonnaise, Cajun chicken marinated, lettuce, and you need some juicy, a bit of acidity of the tomato. So I really had to. So we're gonna cut them in half in a dish. We're gonna roast it in the oven with some thyme, a bit of garlic, until nice caramelization. All the tomato, I'm gonna put a few cloves of garlic, not too much. Sprinkle the thyme. That should be enough. And olive oil. Drizzle of olive oil. Salt, pepper. Beautiful. In the oven. 190 degree. Let's roast them till caramelization, until the garlic like confit. Nice. So we're gonna blend everything together. A bit of water, vegetable stock. Taste it, season it, and it'll be delicious. Okay, let's see. Those beautiful tomatoes, look at that. Nice and roasted. Okay, we're gonna deglaze the bottom of the tray with a bit of water. Back in, just to unstick all those caramelization. I got my little vegetable stock here, a bit of sweet, leek, onions, carrots, which we will mix with the tomato. Okay, alright guys, look at those tomatoes, my god. The juice. Okay, vegetable stock. I put my vegetables with it, no problem. Okay, so that will clean nicely the tray. Look at this little garlic, totally very well confit. This one's a bit burned actually, so I'm gonna remove it. Oopsie. And there, my fault. Totally ignored the cuisine science. So basically, those little garlic shouldn't have go like that without his skin to protect it. It should go with the tomato, roasting in the oven, with still his little thin skin, so it doesn't burn and cook inside and confit. What I've done is totally wrong, and that's why I found a burnt garlic, which will give a bit of bitterness taste if I would have leave it. So a mistake to rectify. Okay, back into this pan with the stock. There you go. Till the last drop. Nice. That smells divine, I can tell you. Let's put some basil leaves. Up. And we're gonna mix that with it. There should be plenty. Let's mix it. Until nice and smooth. All right, tasty test. Oh, it's not bad actually, but it just need a bit more salt. For such poor quality tomato, it's not even acidic because it has caramelized in the oven and the sugar, natural sugar of the tomato just came out by roasting it. Maybe a bit of pepper. Just to spicy up a bit. A little chili will do good. This time. Yeah. Yeah. It's fabulous. He calls you all the time. Try me again, try me again. It has a nice flavor of roasted garlic as well. Ah, it's really good. Well, I'm gonna stop here because I've been finishing the whole pot. That's all, guys. Nice tomato soup.